For the past few months, I've dedicated my maker skills to helping my friend convert his 2010 Mercedes Sprinter van into a budget camper. It's been a dream of his and I was happy to oblige, and it was a fun project. Inside he uses a simple 55 litre camp fridge that is plugged into a 100 amp hour deep cycle battery that he recharges with a 250 watt portable solar panel. The interior is relatively straightforward. It's been fully insulated with foam reflective insulation and earth wool, finished with pine shiplap siding. Upon his request, he has a simple fixed permanent bed with under bed storage, and he has a table at both ends which both double as doors that access the underbed storage. Here he has a simple water jug with a tap that he uses for his water needs, just using simple gravity. The underbed storage is accessed from both sides as mentioned. This is a table with high strength gas struts that doubles as his internal breakfast and dining table. Upon opening the rear doors, you can see the rear table that gives access to the underbed storage. In the roof, for some added ventilation at night, there is a small extraction fan hidden in the ceiling that can be turned on or off with a push switch. To access the rear storage, there are clips, and this one is a simple fold-down construction that makes a wonderful platform to cook meals in the open outdoor area. This is also strong enough to sit on, as we used good chain hardware with eye bolts that have been fixed into the main structure of the bed. This simply folds away, making it easy to get on the road. There's a rear reversing camera that's been installed and a dedicated switch to be able to turn this on and off as needed, not just when it's in reverse. The whole project from start to finish cost around $3,000 for all the materials, making this one of the best budget camper configurations for the money.